Hello artist and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I will be using candy canes in my drawing to teach about overlapping. I am about to draw two candy canes. As I draw both of these, watch closely to see how I draw all of one candy cane, but only part of the other. Doesn't that make it look like one candy cane is on top while the other one is behind? In art, we call this overlapping. The candy cane that is on top overlaps the candy cane that is underneath. This is one way you can show space in art. Next, I'm going to use oil pastels to outline and color my candy canes. Candy canes are special because they are colored red, white, and so on. Does anybody know what something like that is called? Great work if you knew that this was a pattern. Whenever you have something repeat in art, we call it a pattern. The red, white on a candy cane is just one of the patterns I'm going to add to my drawing. You can see now, to finish my picture, I added more patterns to the background. My last step for this art project is to color some of the white space with watercolor paint. Before you paint, make sure you have everything you need. Newspaper to keep the table clean, a water cup to keep your brush clean, a watercolor set, and a paper towel to keep your brush dry if it gets a little too wet. You can see that because the oil pastel is so waxy, the water cannot rest on top of it. This makes the oil pastel resist the paint. Pretty neat, huh? As you work, remember to use enough water and brush gently so that we are painting the best we can. Also, please make sure that you are washing your brush each time you grab a new color. You would hate it if you mixed your colors all together. With my work all done and my art supplies all put away, I am feeling proud of my work. Now, I'll probably show some friends and keep helping others. Happy making, artist. Enjoy.